Hello and welcome to our guide on budgeting. Budgeting is an essential tool for managing your finances and ensuring that you're able to meet your financial goals. To start with, you should begin by assessing your income and expenses. Make a list of all your sources of income, including your salary or wages, any rental income or investment income. Next, list out all your expenses, including fixed expenses like rent, mortgage payments, and utilities, as well as variable expenses like groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can create a budget that prioritizes your spending in a way that aligns with your financial goals. A good budget should be realistic and flexible, allowing you to adjust your spending as needed to accommodate unexpected expenses or changes in your income. It's also important to track your spending regularly, so you can stay on top of your budget and make adjustments as needed. Remember, budgeting is a powerful tool for achieving your financial goals. Whether you're looking to save for a down payment on a house, pay off debt, or plan for retirement. So take the time to create a budget that works for you and stick to it as closely as possible. With a little discipline and planning, you can take control of your finances and achieve the financial freedom you deserve.